So tomorrow it will be 1 month since I started this YouTube channel, and I think it's time to share the first results. Actually, I don't have so much time to post to this channel because I'm making a challenge, 30 days of swimming and losing maximum amount of fat. Normally I swim every day, and it takes time to swim, to record scenes, to edit scenes. So I have several channels and I don't really have time for this channel. That's why I don't post every day. This should tell you that not all videos are created equal. Sometimes you need to spend 1 month or even more just to create one video. And if it flops, it's just the cost of doing business. That's why these simple talking heads videos are game changer for small YouTubers. Because you cannot afford if your video that you spend more than 1 month to create flops. And it kind of happens all the time when your channel is small. So if you see this Mr. Beast style of videos, these big challenges, normally they work on big channels. And if your channel is small, your effort can go in vain. So don't waste your time. Don't start this type of channel without existing audience. This is my 10th YouTube channel, and some of them I monetized, with some of them I failed miserably. So I think this is my second attempt to start from scratch. My another attempt failed because I gave up exactly after 1 month. So about 1 year ago, I started a channel with a similar topic but a different idea. My idea was to earn money with AdSense with a high CPM niche. And I recorded 21 videos, 21 videos with my face, and I got 5 subscribers completely organically. So after that, I got discouraged. And I gave up on that channel for some moment. And this year, I came up with the idea to revive that channel. But I found out that Google took my channel. Yeah, I don't have any access to that channel anymore because I sold my iPhone and Google does not allow me to log in. That channel is called Lazy Talking Head. You can go and check it out. The topic was like a YouTube advice, and this channel is slightly different. I created this channel understanding the mistakes I made previously. But anyway, I did not share any links to this channel anywhere. All traffic is completely organic, and my experiment is pure. So you can rely on this data if you want to start your own YouTube channel. So I originally expected to post a video a day, but then life happened as always and I failed. And so far I posted 15 videos on this channel, and I gained organically about 16 subscribers, I believe. It was 18 subscribers, but then 2 people unsubscribed. Apparently, people can unsubscribe from your channel even when it's very small. But there is a good sign. If I look into my analytics, I think I will put it here. My subscribers are mostly males over 30 from England and United States, actually as intended. I intended to target Anglo-Saxon wealthy countries, so not exactly because of high CPM. My idea when I started this channel was slightly different. I stated a challenge in my first video. I wanted to monetize this channel before New Year. So I started this channel, I think 4th November 2024, and it's been 1 month. And I still want to earn my first money before New Year. I believe that it's possible. I cannot guarantee that it will happen, but my plan is not to wait for 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. Maybe this will not happen in 1 month, in the next month. My plan is to share a link in the description that matches every video topic. So I found an affiliate link that may be of use for content creators and YouTubers. It's a link for school, And school is a platform where you can monetize your content through paid communities and courses. So if you're into it, just check it out. People are earning several $1,000s per month with this platform. And what I found out, even with 16 subscribers, with uh, very few views per video, I already got more than 40 clicks to my link, because I put this link in every video. So even if you have a small channel, you can start monetizing it from beginning, from basically your first video, from your first organic views. Of course, I haven't earned anything yet, but that's okay. You know, it's very discouraging to see that people are not watching, that you post in video after video after video, and it's not getting pushed. My first video actually got pushed a little bit. I got several hundred views, but then it died down, and next videos were not popular. And actually, average view duration on the first video was much better than on the next pieces of content. But I already learned from the last attempt that I shouldn't give up. I should keep posting. So I will keep posting, guys. And realistically, you cannot expect to monetize your channel in 1 month. On average, the statistics says that it takes about 9 months to gain your first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours organically to start earning from AdSense monetization program and earn your first dollar. I think that's why it's so important to monetize each video, because you don't know which video will blow up, and every next piece of content can be your lucky one, because you never know what the algorithm will pick up. You should try to put the same effort into every video, but ultimately you never know which one of them will become popular, will become your breakthrough. And when it happens, when the breakthrough video comes, you will get a lot of traffic for this one video. And if people like, they will subscribe, and YouTube algorithm will distribute your other older videos to them. And that's why it's so important to have a link in your description in each video, so you can monetize these views, so these views not go in vain when your channel is not monetized. Another thing I found to be important is don't go for quality. I mean, like super duper quality, like expensive video editing, time consuming stories. Just talking head videos are good for small channels when you're starting out without external traffic. I don't have any external traffic. I rely on the algorithm. So my job here is to make sure that I post consistently. So one day algorithm will pick some video up, and it may be this one. You never know. What I also found out analyzing YouTube Studio is that views from suggested tend to be very short and uninterested, but views from browse features, or basically main page, are the views that have some quality. So mostly people subscribe, I think, from browse features, because when they found your video on the main page, they are less judging. They don't look so much on your subscriber count. For small channels, YouTube basically gives low quality traffic from suggested. You know, the sidebar when you're watching something and you're normally not interested in that stuff, and you just come back to main page to watch something new. So that's why click-through rate is crazy low, like 0.1% on some videos. If you see this in your analytics, it doesn't mean your videos are bad or your thumbnails are bad. It's just the way YouTube works. So don't worry about this when your channel is small. Since I have several channels, I can compare. You know, same talking head, same face, and on my other channel, people watch my videos for 10 minutes, 18 minutes, and this new channel, people watch like several seconds, sometimes 1-2 minutes. That's okay. That's okay. They don't know me. But the idea of how this works is YouTube sends you random traffic that may or may not be interested in your videos, And if they like you, they will just subscribe, and then YouTube algorithm creates a profile of who may actually like your videos. That's why it takes time, it takes patience. You should never give up when you see that in your first months you gained only 5 or 10 or 100 subscribers. It's normal. You should realize that it's normal. And second month, third month, it will be faster than this. You know, when I recorded all this, I realized that my front camera switched to 180p. And normally I record everything in 4K because I hate low quality videos. And then I just realized that no, I will not re-record this. I will just upscale this because nobody's gonna watch this anyway. So doing something of mediocre quality when you are small, when you are not sure whether you will get any views, it's totally okay. Just go for it. If we calculate, this type of video takes me about 10 to 20 minutes to think what to talk about 20 minutes to talk, and 30 to 60 minutes to edit. So it's significant amount of time wasted for the video that nobody's gonna watch just because the channel is small. But think about it, if your mediocre videos are getting subscribers anyway, this means when you beat some threshold, let's say 1,000 subscribers, you can improve the quality, and it will give you a snowball effect. Because if you start with very high production quality from beginning, you will just burn out. I can guarantee you, I've been there. So don't rely on AdSense. AdSense may take a while to approve your channel. That's why you should create a strategy upfront. You should know how you will monetize from your first view. And I recommend checking out paid communities. Anyway, if you like my thoughts, this channel is not exactly about YouTube. It's about escaping 9 to 5 and doing your own thing. So these kind of topics I want to cover. If you're up to escaping 9 to 5, you may consider subscribing.